This video is about how to use Nspire in the following question. Consider the points P 4, -5, Q, A2, R, -3B. If the gradient of the line PQ is -5, find A. Let's label x1, y1, x2, y2. We will use this formula for gradient or slope. Slope equals or gradient equals y2 minus y1, 2 plus 5. x2 minus x1, 8 minus 4 equals -5. You can solve this equation by hand. I will show you use Nspire how to solve this equation. We still use scratch pad. On the calculator of scratch pad, we will directly type in the equation. Control divide 2 plus 5 over A minus 4 equals -5. Then control menu, math actions, enter, enter, enter. We got A equals 2.6. We can change this into fraction if you want to. Menu 2 is a fraction. 13 over 5. By solver, A equals 13 over 5. Let's go to B. If the midpoint of the line segment QR is M, -1, 8, find A and B. For this midpoint M, -1, 8, let's label as XY. Q, A2, R, -3B. Let's label x1, y1, x2, y2. We will use this formula. X is -1 equals x1 plus x2 over 2, A minus 3 over 2. For y is 8 equals y1, 2 plus y2 is B over 2. We will use equation solver. By solver. 8 equals control divide 2 plus B over 2. Control menu, enter, enter. B equals 14. -1 equals control divide A minus 3 over 2. Control menu, enter, enter. A equals 1. A equals 1 and B equals 14. Go to C. If Q is the midpoint of the line segment PR, find A and B. Let's label Q is midpoint, XY, X1, Y1, X2, Y2. We will use this formula. X is A equals x1 plus x2 4 minus 3 over 2. We got 1 over 2. Y is 2 equals y1 plus y2 over 2, negative 5 plus b over 2 by solver. 2 equals control divide. Negative 5 plus b over 2. Control menu. Enter, enter. B equals 9. B equals 9. Let's go to D. If the distance between Q and R is 2 square root of 14, and the gradient of the line QR is 1/2, find A and B. Q, A2, R, negative 3B. Let's label x1, y1, x2, y2. Distance is 2 square root of 14. This is the formula. D equals square root. A minus negative 3 is plus 3 square plus 2 minus b square equals 2 square root of 14. Gradient, we will use this formula. B minus 2 over negative 3 minus a equals 1 over 2. We need to solve this system of equations. Since this is linear, we need to solve for A or B. Then we substitute back into the first equation. Then we go to equation solver to get the answer for A or B. Cross multiply. 2 times b minus 2 equals 1 times negative 3 minus a. Distributive property. 2b minus 4 equals negative 3 minus a. Let's solve for b. Add 4 both sides. 2b equals negative 3 plus 4 is 1 minus a. Divided by 2 both sides. B equals 1 minus a over 2. This is the first equation, second equation, third equation. Substitute 1 minus a over 2 for b in the first equation. So we get a plus 3 squared plus 2 minus 1 minus a over 2 squared equals 2 square root of 14. Then by solver. Control menu, enter, clear the history. Control x squared to get the square root. A plus 3 squared plus parentheses 2 minus control divide 1 minus a over 2 squared equals 2 control x squared 14. Control menu, enter, enter. A equals 3.69. A equals 3.69 as a 3-sig fix. Let's figure out B. b is 1 minus a over 2 equals control divide 1 minus. We need to pull this down, so go up, enter. Then over 2, enter. b equals negative 1.35.